I'm going to be talking about what I cannot personally do without over the winter period as liveaboard.
A world is a book. Those who do not travel read only one page. Travel has helped us to understand the meaning of life, and it has helped us to become better people. Each time we travel, we see the world with new eyes. People think that because we keep travelling and searching for new things to do, we are not focused. But travel helped us find our purpose and put focus into our lives. The more we get lost in our travels, the richer our lives become.
So today I want to tell you about what things we really need as liveaboards over the winter period. I am not going to talk about summer because that's a whole different ball game. So things that we cannot live without on the boat itself. 1, springs. The springs that stop you jolting and jarring when you're moving, actually as we're moored up here. We've had quite a bad winter, so we did need to be able to be safe and secure, but also comfortable when we're on the boat. So they are definitely things that we've needed to make sure we've had. Other people, in fact, have even gone up to the local garage and have bought some tyres that they've put on the outside that don't look very pretty at all. So I wouldn't really recommend them, but safety is better than banging your boat against the side of the pontoon or indeed the wall. So we needed the springs. We've also definitely needed the winter tent. That obviously goes up outside and it's given us an extra room, and also it's protected us from the heavy rains that we've had here over in Crete over winter. It's not actually come directly into the main area of the boat, so definitely the winter tent. We've also needed a heater of some sort. We did have a halogen heater, but they are the cheapest to run, as he's saying. So a heater of some kind. You may have, is it Eberspracher? One on the boat, but you definitely need some form of heating. And I'll also come on to that as well. I know it's personal, but I bought 2 of these like fleece blankets. They've been invaluable. Brilliant. Got them really dirt cheap. I think I even got these from Primark of all places, but we've used them on the bed at night when we've just needed a bit of extra warmth, and we've also used them in summer as well when we just want to wrap around a little bit when we've been up in the balcony. They are brilliant. Oh, number one. Now you think I'm silly. Hot water bottle. My feet have only just started being warm. Terrible. So springs, winter tent, heater, blankets, hot water bottle. What else for the boat? Carl has been a brilliant cook this winter, as he always is, bless him, and we couldn't have done without our pressure cooker. He's done 1 pot wonders. We've made meals. Well, we've had half a chicken and he's done 3 days meals with it, and we've also got a slow cooker as well. That's invaluable because you do need hot meals, again only in winter, but it's been a godsend. We needed those. What else would I say? Staying on the food side, Marmite, we brought that back from England. We needed that. Loads of people want us to bring that back as well when we visit England. Your special or blend of coffee or tea bags, the ones that you buy here in the Med, aren't very strong, aren't very good, and they are twice as expensive for the good brands that you buy. So there's that as well. We like a lot of spicy food and you can't get that here, or again it's twice as expensive, so bring all your spices, your curry sauces and stuff like that. Gravy granules we thought we'd run out of the other day, and we found a packet, so gravy granules, we like that. And custard powder as well. Sometimes you want a little bit of something sweet, and they don't sell that here in Greece, so custard powder. Staying on the food thing, this is just a little tip of mine. So what I can't do without either, and it's just a little fad of mine, is over winter I like to have the hot meals that Carl's kindly prepared for me, but I cannot stand them on the melamine plates. It's like eating with plastic knives and forks, can't do that either. So what I have done is bought 2 of these kind of plates. They're not china, you can microwave them, and they're dishwasher proof and stuff. I think they will smash, but they will take quite a lot more battering than the china plates. But I like to be able to eat on a proper plate, and I like to have my proper kind of mug as well. Can't drink out of plastic mugs. So that's that. So that's all things to do with the boat. Also, other things that you need to make sure that you've got if you're living aboard the boat in winter are things to keep you busy. Definitely hard drive with movies on, board games that we use. We play backgammon nearly every night, and we see which one can beat each other at that. We've also got an excellent Good to Go Sailing. I can't find it. A board game called Good to Go Sailing. It reminds us of all the different things that we should know and should not forget about to do with sailing, and it's a great thing when you're with other people, other sailors as well, to play with when you've been out for a drink or two and you come back to the boat for another 1 or 2 nightcaps. So there's that, and then just the last few things that, as I say, I would recommend that you get. A light jacket, one of these nice down ones that you can get that screw up nice and small so you can stow them away quite neatly, but you do need a winter coat, and I did get rid of quite a few things thinking I would only need summer clothes, and you do need a warm jacket. Scarves as well, women wear a lot of those to look nice, but you don't need many clothes, just those things. What else? Let's have a look on my list of what I've missed. Oh, I like to do the keep fit stuff as well, so sports bras, keep fit equipment, a good pair of walking shoes so that you can join in with the Thursday walks like I've done. That's been brilliant for me. I've loved it. I've loved every minute. And again, you can buy them here, but they are very, very expensive. And also what we've recently taken up as well is tennis. Whoa-ho Wimbledon come July, we'll be watching that. And again, they're expensive here. You can buy them, but we've managed to get a lot cheaper and as good a make, if you like, from Amazon that we've had shipped out here. So I would recommend either bring them before you come on the boat or buy some through Amazon. And I think that's about it. But yeah, my favourite thing, without a doubt, that water bottle. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my nice little list that I've made there for you. See you next time.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And click on the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. Please check out our Patreon page, the link's below, where you can get access to over 40 Patron only videos. See you next time.